I think art for the home has to be experienced daily. Just looking at that piece of art has to make me happy. I think in this crazy, crazy world that we live outside, and especially in the world of fashion, where I come from, so much that you go through in a day, ultimately a home should calm you, soothe you, and I think this is what this home is. Hi, I'm Anita Dongre. You're watching me on Asian Paints, where the heart is. Welcome to my home. So this is my home. And well, we're right now standing under the atrium, which is a design element I so wanted in this house. The atrium connects the 3 levels of the house. Inspired by my Nana Nani's house in Jaipur. A lot of homes in Jaipur have these center courtyards. And I always wanted a home like that because it reminds me of how we cousins used to run at different levels and call out to my grandmom. And that's pretty similar what happens over here. We do have an intercom, but we hardly use it because we come onto the landing over here and shout out to each other. So the tree of life is a motif that I've always loved ever since I was a design student. I remember when I first encountered that, and I was absolutely mesmerized by the tree of life. And every day when I come down over here and look at it, it makes me happy. It was a lifelong desire to live in a home that's been designed according to what I think a home should be. So for me, a home should be just lots and lots of natural light and lots of natural air that comes in. So, I come from a very close-knit family, and I always wanted a home, and my dream home always meant to me a place where the entire family could come together. So it's got enough space for everybody to be here, to enjoy, to just enjoy this whole space of being together. And that's what I love about this home. So let me take you to my favorite spot in this room. So this is my spot, and I don't know, for some strange reason I can think creatively better on this spot, and I love the view from this spot. It's all green because it's all glass windows. I can see all the greenery from here, and I quite relate to Sheldon when he insists on his spot in Big Bang Theory, which is one of my favorite serials. I think whether it's the architecture of the house, or whether it's the patterns I've used in the house, or whether it's the colors I've used in the house, I think in all 3 I'm trying to bring the outside inside because that's really important to me. So whether it's in the architecture, so many windows which the outside and the inside merge, whether it is the patterns of nature on the cushions, the Varli, the Pichwai. It's really nature that I'm trying to bring into the house, and the blues and the greens reflect so many shades of greens that are outside. And to me, this is important because I think nature is soothing and nature is calming, and a home should be both. So there are obviously some common design elements between my stores and my home. And one of my most favorite parts of this house is the swing. I absolutely love swings, and which is why I have them even in most of my stores and even in the design headquarters. I think a swing is soothing, it's calming, and I absolutely love the swing. Art for the home really has to be experienced every single day because it's in your home. You have to look at it every day. So for me, art has to be something that brings you joy and happiness. It truly doesn't matter of how expensive the artist is that you bought or what the price is. I think to conclude, art in the home has to make you happy, truly happy. So these doors lead out into the open, into the small little garden that I have. I love spending time outdoors. I love sitting on the chairs and garden, and it's a space that Bella especially loves the most because she gets to run around over here. So I moved to Navi Mumbai a few years ago because I really wanted to get out of the city, and I wanted a place of work also that was more greener. When I came here and I saw this plot of land, I didn't have the money to pay for it, and me and my younger sister wanted to buy it together, and pooling all our resources together, we still didn't have enough, and we took a bank loan, which was again very tough. The bank had rules that they can't give a loan to 2 sisters who are buying it together, but we persevered and made that happen, and then of course managed to raise funds to build the home too. I like being here because when I come back from work every day, just entering this oasis and the space, it kind of centers me. I feel centered over here because of how green it is. I named the house Vana. Vana actually means tree. I was also inspired to use the name when I went to this wellness retreat in Dehradun. I mean, I love wellness retreats, and this space is my wellness retreat, and that's why it's Vana. So what really connects this family, I think, is food. And which is why, for me, this table was such an important part of this home. So though the dining table is in a corner of this room, but I think it's really such an interesting corner because to one side I have these tall French doors which open out into the garden. So, you know, whichever chair you sit on the table, you're faced with greenery. There's beautiful greenery here. And the greenery is mimicked in this beautifully hand-painted panel. And it's just beautiful to have the elephant family, the monkey family, the bird family. I don't ever tire of looking at it. It's such a beautiful sight while having your meal too. So this is my private space. It's very minimalistic by choice. It's very Zen-like. A bed with a headboard of elephants. That's the only bit of print in the room. One painting of Buddha and my meditation chair. A nice wooden floor where I do my yoga here too. And it leads into a terrace. So every morning when I wake up, the first tree that I look at is this, and I love waking up to the sight of this tree in my terrace. A lot of the family is always home, and then of course close friends, not just mine and my sisters, but my son's close friends, daughter-in-law's close friends, and then the entire family's close friends. And I always feel blessed that we are such a large family, that we're a family of 6. When the family of 6 gets together with a few of their close friends, it's really like one big party here. And I feel blessed that we share this home with so many wonderful people in our lives. And, you know, it's easy for anybody to have a beautiful home, but I mean, a home is just 4 walls and some furniture in it. But I think what brings to life a home is the people who live in it and the people who visit in it. I'm grateful that this home is a beautiful home, not just because it's, well, you know, designed and created beautifully, but because of the people that live in it and the people that visit it and the people that just give us their blessings every day for this home. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. You're watching me on Asian Paints, where the heart is. Welcome to my home.